Hello everybody, this is one of the presentation I created about 4 months ago. It's about the phase 2 of the channel. We get everything that we said in the phase 2. Now let's see how we can create them. Okay, at first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide we need to create the shape. Creating the shape is easy. You need to round it up, then copy the text, okay, and paste the text here. But the important thing is not the text, the effect of this thing. How we affect it? Well, we need to give it some inner shadow, and after that we need to give it a reflections, this kind of reflection, and then we need to remove the outline. You see, this created. After that we can create 4 of them and put them on a slide like this. Now what we do, we just simply copy the slide and then copy the slide, we bring it up. You see, we can bring it up in the order. It's important to have order. We bring it to here, then we bring it in the middle. We go to shape format, align it center, middle, then increase its size. You see, we had a little problem in increasing its size, but you can do it easily. And after increasing size, increase the size of text and then bring this to up. Do this process 2 more times and then select all the slide and set the transition to morph. Now see, your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and please like and subscribe.